What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. Man, today is going to be a different type of day, man. You guys already know it's in the background, man. So if y'all take a look around, man, we are literally at one of the biggest like logistics place in Texas right now, and literally they got it filled up with exotic cars, man. We literally was just on the freeway going crazy. I ain't gonna hold you. I wish I could have filmed that stuff for y'all, but I had to focus on getting the stuff right, man. So y'all already know what time it is, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. We about to get this show on the road and get to it, man. Let's check out some of these whips though, man. They pulling in, look. Look, they still pulling in. They got them joints. Oh my God, they got the STO. Acura. I ain't gonna hold you. This is crazy. This is nuts. Ooh, look at that Lamb truck. That thing is poking. I ain't gonna hold you. This is the color right here, dude. This color is insane. Oh my God. With the wheels, carbon fiber. Oh my goodness. This thing. That thing is nice. I ain't gonna even hold you. Bro, we was sliding on the freeway. This thing is so freaking fast right here. Literally so freaking fast. Ferrari SF90. Literally 600,000. So freaking fast, man. Y'all know what time it is. Was definitely a movie. I'm telling you, I didn't even get a chance to look at the hood on that joint. Just look at the freaking carbon fiber with the orange through the seats. I ain't gonna hold you. They got the SF90s up front. Oh my God. This one is noise. Oh my Lord. Oh my Lord. They got them out here. I ain't gonna hold you. They got them out here. I ain't gonna hold you. This is insane. 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 Like, look at all these Ferraris, bro. These is all local people. They sliding in McLarens and everything. This is nuts. This is nuts. They got the SVJs. SVJ. Oh my God. That Nardo gray one looked crazy. I'm gonna have to come back to that one, but this thing is killer too. This one is killer too. I like it. They got the black and gold thing, one of one. Insane. Another SVJ pulling in. Literally. SVs after SVs. STO. STO this is? I'm not sure. Sweet freaking STO. That thing is freaking sick. Freaking sick. I ain't gonna hold you. They got so many Lambos and cars and stuff out here. It's like, it's hard to freaking choose one. They all got their own like type of ooh and ah effect. Look at this SVJ. Look at the carbon fiber on there, man. That thing is nice. That is nice. I ain't gonna hold you. Talk about $1 million on a car. Literally blew off the top. Literally blew off the top. That's how fast this thing is. Sick. Oohs and ahs. I ain't gonna hold you. They got some shit in here, buddy. We just gonna keep this show on the road. I ain't gonna hold you. We just gonna keep going by and see which ones we like. We gonna hold up at the ones we like a little bit longer. I ain't gonna hold you. They got the nice Audi R8. Now this one on the freeway, it slides. Top off, Huracan, beast of the beast. I'm telling you, they literally pulling in here left and right. Oh my God, look at the purple on that thing. Look at the purple on that thing. Lardo. sector over here. They got American and all that down there. They got the Porsches and stuff right here. She got the GT3 RS. Oh my lord. They got them out here. I ain't gonna hold you. It's so much. It's so much, man. They got it. Woo. Look at this. Oh my, look at this blue right here. Now I don't know which one look better. This blue Big Daddy right here, or this blue Big Daddy right here, or this like off blue teal blue Big Daddy right here, man. Y'all let me know which one y'all think looks the best. I ain't gonna hold you. They all look good. They all look good. This one's nice though. I like the wheels on this joint. The wheels on that back end just look so killer. Look just how it's sitting. Joint Panda with the carbon fiber Big Daddy on top. I ain't gonna hold you. Another GT3 RS looking insanely nice. Insanely nice. Just look at it. Eee. Look at the cloth seats on here. I swear, one thing about Porsche, they gonna have the best interior on that joint. Best interior on that joint. That thing is insane. Another GT3. They got some dope rides out here, man. Let's take a walk back to the front and see what we got going, because they got so many Porsches up in here. I ain't gonna hold you. It's so many Porsches in here. Whole lot of GT3s left and right. Insane. This one is sitting real nice and sick and swift. Ew, they got them out here. I ain't gonna hold you. They got them out here. This purple right here is insane. This purple right here is real gutter like this. Which I think Nardo gray or the purple. It's sitting nice. Sitting nice. I ain't gonna hold you. We probably missed a few cars, man.
Hopefully y'all can hear me. Just wanted to say a quick thank you guys for coming, but if you watch raffle tickets are up here.
Insane. Look at that white thing. This one is nice. This is nice. Ew, they got some whips. They got some whips, man. Look at this Lambo. This color is insane. We got the Huracan Technical right here.
Just make sure you guys get the donuts and everything and water up here. Try to get everybody parked and then
Looks good. Looks freaking good. I swear to you, the ride here was just the best. The ride here was literally the best. I wish I could have showed you guys the freaking ride here. Look at this green thing right here. Now this green right here is screaming. It's definitely screaming. It's definitely screaming. They got them out here. They got the Porsches over yonder. Bro, when I tell you these is all local people cars, it's insane. Boy. Oh my God. I ain't gonna hold you. They got some nice colored Porsches in here. They got some nice colored Porsches up in here. Look seats on that. Ain't no sitting in the back, baby. Ain't no sitting in the back, baby. This thing is nice. I ain't gonna hold you. That purple is insanely just insane. Y'all see what's going on. Let's see what the McLarens and stuff is looking like. Chalk Porsche Cayenne. Yeah, that Porsche right there is nice. I'll hold you. Oh my God, look at the McLaren though. Now this right here is nice. It look like a Skittle pack up here. Look at that. Godly. Look like a McLaren dealership. They all, you feel me? They all got their doors up and stuff. That's cool. I like that. Look at the wheels on that. Oh my God, look at the bucket seats. Do you not see the bucket seats? Let me see. Let me get it. Let me get it. Look at the bucket seats. Oh goodness. This orange right here is killing. All that carbon fiber. You got the exhaust coming out the back. I ain't gonna hold you. Now that's nice. That's nice. That is nice. Got the other McLaren on. They got some stuff up in here. I ain't gonna hold you. They got some whips up in here, buddy. Ooh, look at this one right here. 720S. Thing looking cold. Carbon fiber on the ooh and ah. I ain't gonna hold you. Look at the exhaust. I ain't gonna hold you. They got some whips up in here, boy. I ain't even got the half of them. They still pulling in. Look, check me out. Still pulling in. Still pulling in. Clearing up. Looking good. This thing is freaking nice. This color on this is sick. Woo. Yeah, that's nice. I ain't gonna hold you. They got McLarens, after McLaren, Aston Martin. This thing is nice. Oh my God, 765 LT. Look at this thing right here. First off, look, it's no tail lights on the back. Like, it don't even look like it's no tail lights on the back. Now this is hard. I ain't gonna hold you. I didn't think I wanted a McLaren, but I kind of think I want a McLaren. This is insane. Insane right here. Look at the bucket seats. I wonder if that's comfortable or not. I wonder if that's comfortable or not. Man, they got some whips. They got some whips out. Chill, boy. Aston Martins right here. Ew, what the heck is this? Oh my God. Now this looks insane. This doesn't even look street legal. This doesn't even look street legal. This is a whole race car. Dude has a whole race car, literally. Now this is insane right here. That's crazy. This is nuts, bro. This is nuts. Y'all let me know what type of car this is, because I don't know what type of car that is. But it's looking real good. Now this bad boy right here, I don't know why they got it tucked off in a corner like this. Golly, what's the new GT? Carbon fiber on the wheels. Sheesh. This thing is nice. Oh my God. That thing look crazy on the inside. That was nuts. Look at the aerodynamic on this joint. And that's a Ford. That's what's nuts. That's what's nuts. That's a Ford, bro. Insane. This thing is nice. They got American muscle up in here. I ain't gonna hold you. If this was like somebody's car collection, boy. If this was somebody's car collection, boy, we'd be in heaven. It'd be hard to freaking maneuver and get these cars out. Okay, hold on. Let me back it back. You got that Hellcat. You got that kit. Got that Hellcat, man. Got that Hellcat looking good. Uh-oh. We got some old school daddies right here. Old school daddies. Look at that. I like that Mustang. It's sitting real nice and proper. Shelby, of course. This thing's sitting real nice and proper too. Ooh, look at this. I don't even know what type of car this is, but it looked good. Fully restored. What kind of car is this? A Jaguar F-Type. Look at this thing, man. Fully restored. Looks freaking good as heck. I don't even know the year, but fully restored. Pristine condition. Pristine. But we got BMW land over there, man. Let's go check out BMW land. Now this orange right here is definitely poking out the most. This orange and that green. This orange M3 is insane. The orange M3 is just looking, oh my lord. Oh my lord. Look at this beamer. God. Do you not see this? Like this right here, this interior. Oh my God. This is insane. He did that. I ain't gonna hold you. He did that with the M4. He did that with the M4. Now I ain't gonna hold you. I don't know which one look better now. Y'all let me know which one look better, man. The M4 or the M3. This drop top right here is killing him. That interior is nutty. Yeah.
Are you a YouTuber?
It's Everything's Regular on YouTube.
Everything is regular?
Yeah, Everything's Regular with an S. Everything's. Yeah.
Well, that's your YouTube channel?
Yeah. Y'all want to say something to YouTube, man?
What's up, gang? What's
Yeah.
good?
Tell them where we at right now, man.
We're at a car show.
We at a car meet.
Yeah,
What's your favorite car?
That Lamborghini. No, the one that was wrapped.
The one that was wrecked.
No, the wrapped.
Oh, wrapped.
It's right here.
Why it's not typing in, man?
Oh, you gotta see it.
Oh, I gotta say it. Okay, look. Everything's regular.
Oh, everything is regular?
Yeah.
Everything is regular.
Yeah.
This is my favorite car.
Oh, that one right there. Oh yeah, I did see that one. Looks sick.
Is that you?
Yeah, that one right there. Appreciate you, man.
Yeah.
Y'all gonna be on YouTube, man. Yeah. It's all good. Nice meeting y'all. For sure. Oh my God, they got the M2. They got the M2. They got the M2, but I ain't gonna hold you. I've been waiting to see this green right here, boy. This green right here is just great. Look at the interior on here. Oh my God. That orange with the green on the outside. You can't get no better than that. You can't get no better than that, player. I ain't gonna hold you. You can't get no better than that on that green. See, that orange got a regular black interior, but this interior is insane. That interior on that M4 is poking. It's gonna be green or the M4 for me, for sure. Green or the M4 for me. This blue M3 is nice. It's got a red interior. Green is still winning. Let me see. This black one is nice with red interior. I ain't gonna hold you. Nice black carbon fiber trim. Inside, red guts. Still going green. I'm still going green, man. All right, let's take a walk to the front where we have the S580. But before we get to this Benz, they have this nice freaking Ford Mustang that I've been waiting to see. He was sliding this thing on the freeway, boy. I don't know if he got an LS in here or what, but He was definitely sliding this joint, man. Weight reduction in the back. Y'all see what's going on? Real nice color. Digging it does look pretty good, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. It is pretty insane. Pretty insane, man. Uh-oh, there go the Popo. We got the S580 right here. The joint on the joints. Got another green M3 matching that one back there. I think the one back there is a lot cleaner though. We got Audi. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Oh my God, this Lexus right here is flooding. This gray on this Lexus is hitting. That gray on that Lexus is hitting. I ain't gonna hold you. Now that's a nice gray right there. That thing stands out under this light. Definitely hitting. Let's see what else we got back here. Another M5 with a deep blue. That's insane right there. It looks really, really good. Let me see what we got. Got GTRs. Okay. I'm going GTR gang. I'm pretty sure I seen one of these GTRs on the freeway this morning. I was trying to cut up, but they didn't want no smoke. Man. There's so many GTRs in this joint. Look at this red joint right here, though. That's the whole shindig. Ooh, look at the pink one, though. I ain't gonna hold you. They got some whips. They got some whips with the red interior. With the red guts. Okay. I dig that. I like that color. Definitely looks sick. What y'all think? Chrome blue Nissan GTR. Or like a autumn orangish type of cherry red type of GTR. Or you got the pink one. Got the pink GTR. That thing gonna stand out everywhere. Whoo, they got a color back here. Look at this color, boy. If this color don't stand out, I don't even know what color it is. Excuse me. I don't know what color this is. Tint super black. You can't see nothing in there at night, I'm sure. On the whole ooh and ah kit. They got some whips up in here though, man. I ain't gonna hold you. They got some whips up in here. Insane. Let's see what else we got. Now this is what I'm talking about. Right-hand drive. Right-hand drive. I don't know how they operate that, man. This is sick, straight from Japan. Right-hand drive, 4-door Nissan Skyline. Haven't seen this before. 4-door Nissan Skyline, 40th anniversary. Now that's insane. That's crazy. This thing looks good, bro.
I'm like dying to get rid of my car tomorrow. You should.
He said you should. This thing is sick, dude. I ain't gonna hold you. That right-hand drive is just indescribable. It looks cool. Look at this one. Carbon fiber insides. Nice car. You got the big daddy, the big brother. I ain't gonna hold you. They got some stuff up in here, man. They got some whips up in here. They got some shit up in here. Look, they got the Acura NSX. Now this thing on the freeway is insane. Look, I thought it was like a full hybrid, but it's really like a, I guess a 2-motor type of car. I don't know.